Simply Sprouts Farms, and today we're going to show you a really quick and easy way to make a chicken waterer. So stay tuned.
This is what we need to build it.
Okay.
Right here.
All right, so it's pretty simple what you need here, as Bradley says. You need a couple, at least I do 3, so I always buy 2 packs of these things, these poultry watering cups, and a 5-gallon bucket. I use anything that's BPA free, good idea. And then a drill, and you need a 3/8 inch bit on it. So pretty straightforward. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so you cannot, the big mistake people probably make on this is you cannot put the cup at the very, very bottom, because it won't work unless you're going to hang it. Okay, if you're going to hang it, there's also a way to change this around and put it at the very bottom. But we're not going to hang ours, we just put ours on the ground. So you've got to come up some, and it's a little shy of the line for tractor supply. I've seen some people in some videos put it on the line, but you want to try to get it as low as possible, because that way more water that's in the bucket can be utilized. So it's about right there, and then we're going to mark this and start drilling some holes. Brady's going to show how you drill the hole. Remember, it's a 3/8 inch bit that you put in here. So go ahead, bud.
This is how we drill.
There you go. Keep pushing. There you go. All right, pull her on out there. All right.
See how nice that thing is?
Nice hole.
This is how you turn it when you're done drilling.
Okay. Yep, so Bradley's got in there, and you'll notice that we put a little bit of plumber's tape. I don't really know if plumber's tape's all that great for this, but we put a little on there. And you don't crank down on it, you just let it get tight. All right, you can stop right there, bud. Stop. Okay, that's it. You don't want to crank down on it, because you will push it all the way through and it will leak. Okay, as you can see, we got all 3 on here. We screwed them in, and this thing's ready to fill up. And I always fill it up a few times and rinse it out, make sure nothing residual in it. They do sell red buckets at Tractor Supply. I do not use red buckets, because this here, our chickens are always used to pecking something that's red for water, and I don't want them to start pecking the bucket. So I always get the white one, if anybody's wondering. But we should fill this up with water, and it should be fine. If you guys are trying to figure out how much water your chickens need, I would say this is 4 gallons, even though this is a 5-gallon bucket. So since it's up a ways, it's probably a gallon or so, that it's going to go below this, and they're not going to be able to get the water out. So it's really 4 gallons.
Super easy.
All right, so there you have your chicken waterer. This is John at Simply Sprouts Farm. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel, and have a great day.